this is Anime Girl 8792, and this is the collection I stocked to the point of buying. PUR Cosmetic and Barbie collab to celebrate their 60th anniversary. Let's start with the first item, the important item, the eyeshadow. This is basically glittery rocks, and some is not really glue on. This can definitely break over time. And if you're gonna place it on top of your palette or in front, but don't put any palette on top because the decoration will fall off. Let's open this baby. From the look of it, the eyeshadow palette doesn't go all the way down. If you accidentally drop it or press something on top of it or fall on top of it, this will break. They have a very good mirror. Like any other eyeshadow palette, it comes with this plastic thingy. I don't know, it's maybe just me. Whenever I open this eyeshadow palette, it smells like a hint vanilla, but when I go right in, it doesn't smell like anything. Just noticed that this palette doesn't have a name, but they have a name on the box. It's like PUR Cosmetic and Barbie. You have the money to put names in the palette. FYI, I'm gonna throw away the packaging with the name, but for this video, I'll keep it to tell you which color I'm using. This is Role Model. I never play with the PUR Cosmetic formula, but this looks very pigmented. So I use Role Model as an all over. This is Vintage. It looks like a warm tone brown, not really a cool tone brown. Empower. It's okay wet, but it doesn't give me that kapow, so I'm gonna use my finger. Oh, definitely use your finger. It definitely give you that kapow-y look. This is Fantasy. I'm gonna use this as my inner corner brow. I don't think you can see Fantasy as well, but it's very a natural highlight. It's very beautiful naturally. This is my way of blocking the mirror. So we're gonna do the second row. Barbie. Barbie Do Stain. So I'm using Barbie as an all over. Pretty in Pink. I'm using Pretty in Pink all over my eye. Look like Barbie already stained the palm of my hand. Let's introduce Ken into the mix. I'm gonna put Ken in my inner corner, I guess, to my crease. Dollhouse. Okay, I don't like that. I'm gonna use my finger. But again, it's really hard to control because each finger have their own meat size. The left side I color inside the line and the right side I color outside the line. So the last row gonna be on my left eye. Fashionista. Dreamtopia. $1959, the year Barbie was created. PUR. This is accessory. It's very pure glitter. It definitely has that glitter texture. So you definitely might need glitter glue. But since I don't got glitter glue, I'm putting this straight on my face. I feel like this purpley, gassy darkness is a look, and this is like a rock star, Barbie, hot mess of a look, but liner and lashes will save the look. Speaking of lashes, this collection has lashes. I'm gonna trim it and apply on off camera. It's like, I know I have lashes on my eye. It's pretty soft, but it's so big. Here's a brush for your face. Of course, I have interesting brushes for my everyday life. Of course, I'm gonna pick up the Barbie logo brush. It's the same packaging as the eyeshadow palette. And here's the 3 highlighter. It's very shimmery. We're gonna get that purpley color on this side of my face. Oh shoot. A little go a long way. So I'm gonna use this peachy color on the right side of my face. Oh. Conclusion of the highlight. This middle can be a blush topper, this can be a highlight, and this can be an inner corner of your eye highlight. Ignore my shiny face. Let's move on to the lip swatches. We're gonna swatch first the Girl Glow Lip Gloss. Here's the packaging of the lip gloss. It's very rose gold. The big applicator reminds me of Tarte Shape Tape, and the texture reminds me of the Fenty Beauty lip glosses. It's very pretty. It's nothing special. And this glosses kind of amplify the texture on my lip. Okay, my lip is scrubbed. So here's the 4 lipstick. We're gonna go lightest to darkest. Let's talk about the packaging. A lot of people on Chermin, they compare it to Jaclyn Hill packaging. Since I got Jaclyn Hill lipstick, I'm gonna compare it. It's very octagon-y, but her glitter is very smooth, while this one is really, you can feel the texture. She have big diamond, and this one have a button to pop out the lipstick, and this is just a regular lipstick bullet. In a way, maybe the shape is similar, but not really. When you raise it up, it's very, very glittery. Swatch on the top of my hand. So it's very matte, very creamy. There's no glitter, so I'm guessing the glitter is just an overspray. So this is classic. Ah! No! It's brand new! I'm gonna use a lip brush because you saw what happened. Despite the lipstick break on me during the application, it's very, very smooth, very soft, not dry down matte lipstick. It's the perfect lip color, but better. At first you would get the glitter because of that overspray, but here's Timeless as a swatch. So Timeless is this bright, corally peach color. And ironically, I was looking for a corally peach color. It's not drying matte, but the application is very dry. And I'm also being very careful for it not to break, like my favorite first one I fell in love with. The swatch starts dry and then it becomes so creamy. So this is Legendary, this bright Barbie pink. This is Legendary. So this is inspired. I do need a lip liner for this. Pearl and Barbie glittery pink brightening peel off mask. Later, I'm not really a 15-minute girl. Anything shorter, I'm good. And I stopped picking at it because I was doing yeah. I'm gonna wash the bits that I can't peel off and give you my full opinion. From seeing my face to my neck, it definitely does brighten, and when I took off the mask, it's definitely tightened my skin, and my skin kind of feels soft when I wash it off. So I am considering buying a backup or 2 backup and use this as my regular mask.